It's Sunday morning, so let's make green prantha. I took 2 cups of flour, I washed my spinach, blended it with some water, added into my dry flour, added ginger, onion, green chilies, and green onions. And then I added a spoon of red chili powder, a spoon of salt, and kneaded it all in together. And then once it was dry, I added some water, continued to knead it, added some oil, kneaded it again, left it for about 15 minutes, and then gave it one last knead. Turned on my stove so my tava can warm up, put some paper towel down, added some oil into a bowl. Next we'll take our atta, we'll roll it into a ball, dip it into dry flour, roll it out a little, add some oil into the middle of it, and then we'll fold the edges and turn it into a square. And then we'll roll it out, flip it on our hands a couple of times, add it to our tava. We'll flip it on our tava. Once it's ready, we'll butter it up. And now you can enjoy with achar, butter, and dahi, or you can add some chutney. Happy Sunday!